Welcome to the video that shows you how to install your DataView Dream Sleep software onto your computer. This is the first of a two-step process to initially access your sleep data from your DS-6 Auto CPAP machine. To simply start, assure that you have removed your black SD card from the back of your machine. This is located next to where the power lead enters the device and a mark indicating SD. Use your fingernail to push into the slit and your SD card will pop out for you to remove. Take your SD card and insert it into the allocated slot, which will be on the side edge of your computer. You double click on the Dream Sleep executable file named Dream Sleep Data Viewer. This then opens up into another window welcoming you to install the Data Viewer application. You click on Next. The next step is asking where you would like to install the application onto your computer and suggest an appropriate file. You click on Next. This brings up the name suggestion of Dream Sleep Data Viewer for the program shortcut to be placed on the desktop of your computer. Click on Next. The following screen is asking which additional tasks should be performed. Only tick the Create a Desktop icon box and click on Next. And this following screen is advising that the program is ready to install and revises the actions that you have just taken. Once you have reviewed, click on Install. The program will then load onto your computer. The final screen is advising that the Dream Sleep Data Viewer has been installed onto your computer and is asking if you would like to launch the program now. Unclick the Launch Dream Sleep Data Viewer box to close the program now that you have it installed. Click on Finish. You will see the shortcut icon for the Dream Sleep Data Viewer has now loaded onto your desktop for easy access, ready for use each time you would like to access your sleep data. To close the window, click the X on the top right corner of your screen. For the final step on how to access your sleep data, please review the video How to Access Your Sleep Data. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please go to www.sorgenmedical.com.